Hey guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we have Tobi, Uji Hamadara, or Obito, depending on what section of the anime you're watching. So, man, I've probably spoiled it for a few people who haven't gotten that far. Really sorry. So it's Obito with the mask, basically. So you gotta do like an egg. We'll get right into it. Check out my Patreon if you haven't already. You can request videos and vote on what sort of stuff I do next. I give you, a couple of rewards like that. You can submit drawings for me to have a look at and put in a video. If we get enough patrons, we can do drawings for my Patreon video. Check it out. And even if you just want to help out the channel, because the rules on YouTube are changing soon, so to make sure I can keep doing stuff like this, check out Patreon if you can. Just check it out. So we have an egg, right? So we're going to do the top of the egg just here, and the bottom of the egg is like down here, right? He's got his hand sort of lifting his mask, just about to lift his mask off. So we just have a hand just here. So you just leave a bit of a gap if you want, but of course use pencil so you'll be able to rub it out anyway. So it's kind of an awkward shape. It's tricky. Okay, it's wider on top and skinnier on the bottom. So we're going to just do the top first, right? So say here. So you're just doing kind of like a rainbow line, do you know? A rainbow line down here. Okay, and then the bottom is like here. So his finger's over this line, but you can rub it out afterwards. So now you're gonna have to join these together, okay? Right? With a curved line. It's got to be curved. It can't be straight. You can't just go straight down and then across. So you've got to slightly curve it, right? So you're gonna go curving. See? To there. Okay. Same over here. Hold on, I need to change my Sharpie. Okay, so. Right. It's like an egg, okay? So it's an oval or an egg, right? So then halfway down this egg, we got to do a circle on the left hand side for his eye hole. So eye holes. Anyone watch Rick and Morty? So you're going to do a circle here. Like so. Now, you have two choices in that circle. You can add a Sharingan, or you can color it black. I'm going to add the Sharingan, and if you want, you can color it black. It's up to you. So we do his top eyelid first, and then his bottom eyelid down here. Okay, and in there you're going to do another circle. So it's like there and there. Circle with the top and bottom cut off. Pupil in the middle. And then the 3 commas. So make this a bit bigger, sorry. So the 3 commas for the Sharingan. It sort of changes direction sometimes, but you just do a dot here, and then one, say here. It's like a triangle, and then one, say here. And then you just got to do those lines off them. So line that way, line this way, and then that way as well. And they might have some lines just going around in a radial pattern. Radian pattern means like, you know, like a clock or something, going around like that. So then Tobi, our boy Tobi, has this spiral pattern that comes all the way out, sort of reflecting his power that he has to suck people in and twist around, right? So the first one is going to come out from, let's say, the top, just here. Okay. And this is going to go off the edge of the mask, right? So this is like the edge of the mask, there. Okay. And this one has a double edge, right? So it's going to, imagine it comes out from the bottom of the circle, like so. And it's going to come up this way. And this is going to come all the way down to the bottom of the mask, all the way down here, right? So you're following this shape for the top of the egg, going all the way around, like so, okay? And then you're going to keep going. This is tricky, so, you know, hit pause and, you know, use a pencil and try and sketch it out lightly first, and then you can go over with a black line or heavier pencil line. Sketch it light till you get it right. And this one comes down just to there. Okay. Next one. So the next one comes out from here. It comes out from just this part of the mask, of the circle, just underneath. Comes up like this, and we just keep going around. Keep going all the way, like so. Next one again, same sort of thing. Skinny first, and it gets sort of wider as we go out here, okay? So skinny, skinny, wider, wider. All the way to there. Next one. So trying to just keep it circular as we can. All the way to there. And then there is, I think, one more. So comes out just from here. Okay. Phew, that was tricky. Okay, so it's tough to do that. I know. Now, so he has spiky hair just coming up from, if you want, sorry, before I do the hair, you can add like some texture lines on his mask if you wanted, like this. Kind of like just coming out from the bottom of each one. Just, you know, sometimes you can see them depending on how close up we look at Tobi and his mask. If it's far away, you can't really see them, but it's just like maybe what the mask is made of has this sort of texture on it, you know, it's a bit bumpy. Just on the edges of his mask, like so. And if you want, you can add a bump to these guys as well. You know, just giving them a bit of a bump, like so. Anyway, Tobi has spiky hair. So coming out from the top of the mask, just here, we have a spike there and a spike on this side. And then they're going to spike up all the way around. Okay? Small little spikes on there. Like so. Coming up around his head. Like this. Then we get to about here, we're going to change direction. See? And go down the other side. Going all the way around his head. Real short spikes, short hair. And then there's a strap that's holding on his mask, and we can just see a line for that coming down here. Coming down around like so. And then maybe a little bit just here as well. Can't see the same amount on this side. Okay. So that's his face. Now, so his hand that's holding his mask. You could skip this bit and just do his shoulders if you wanted, but I'm going to add the hand just because it makes it more interesting, I think. Take your time with hands, they're just as hard as faces. So he's holding his mask, so he's kind of holding it like this, you know, and his thumb is, so we're looking at it with the mask. The thumb is up inside the back of the mask, so we're looking at it like this. Okay, so we have his index finger just on his chin, just here, like so, and this comes down to his knuckle like that. And then you can rub that line out and get rid of it. I'll perform some magic and just get rid of it now. Boom. So there, that's his finger. And then next finger, down like that. Next one, down again. And then his little finger just here. And then we have the bump for it there. And then his knuckles. So one knuckle here, another knuckle here. Going down like so. So he's wearing a glove, so we can't really see any skin lines or wrinkle lines for his knuckles. So the back of his hand just comes down to here. Comes out for his wrist. Front of his hand is here. Comes up around like so. And then the palm of his hand, just there. So his hand, if you're looking for size comparison, it's like, it goes from just above his eye. So however big you've done your face, the hand would be up to there on the face. So it's nearly as big as his face. If he stretched out his fingers, it'd be the same size. So you know your hand, if you put your hand up to your face, I'm sorry, I'm doing it right now. Your hand is nearly like the same size as your face. So think about that. Right, so his Akatsuki collar. So this is what you can do now if you don't want to do the hand. You could just do this bit. So we have big collar circle. Jump over the hand or keep going if you didn't draw the hand. To here. And then the other side comes out from around his head. These don't touch because he has a section that, you know, closes. A red sort of section in there, and this is black. Now then, this collar comes down a bit further there. And let's see on the other side. Comes down further there. And then this front of his cloak comes all the way down and off my page there. And it has a red section, so this is a double line. Like so. So that's red, cloak, black. Now his shoulder, off that way. And then a line for his armpit just there. And the other side, just this way, comes down off my page that way. And then his neck, it's just in here, a line like so, a line for the other side going that way. And then another line here goes underneath his cloak, just in there. And then, so you could leave, if you didn't do the hand, that's you done basically. You just add another line for his armpit there, and that's you done. But if you're doing the hand, you're just gonna go do his sleeve down here. At the bottom of his glove, just there. And then the rest of his sleeve and his forearm that goes into his sleeve, just there. So that's red inside there. And then we have some, so his hand's kind of bent and there's folds here. So we're gonna go this way. The line diagonal that way. And then some fold lines for his elbow and stuff. So where his arm bends, you're gonna add some fold lines like this. And then one up here. I think this one goes all the way up to his, no, stops about there. And then here. And that's it. How to draw Tobi. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.